High's design is both intricate and effective, with the sole purpose of delivering deep stimulation to several muscle groups and pressure points in the body. The High has a power button and 2 sets of buttons to increase or decrease intensity. There are 7 speed levels for vibration or percussive massage. Combining these settings create a truly customizable experience. The left buttons increase or decrease intensity on the vibration guide located here. The vibration guide can then be optional to High users during each massage. Below the vibrational guide are the dual head attachments. These are operated by the right buttons. Optional percussive covers are available that change the intensity and feeling of the massage. It's best to experiment with them to find what feels best. Generally, the softer, wider covers direct the sensation over a larger area and are better for sensitive areas. Harder covers are best for intense stimulation and through heaving clothing or napkins. The purpose of High's unique design is to provide relaxation and pleasure to its users while they remain fully clothed. This provides its users with convenience as deep relaxation can ensue within just a few short minutes of using the High. The use of this device also comes without cleanup, as the High never has to come in contact with any skin or bodily fluids. For shoulders, start percussive setting on low, then increase to satisfaction. Use dual head on either side of your shoulder or neck to work out knots. To reach different portions of the back, switch the hand you are holding the High in. Be careful around your collarbone and other sensitive areas. Having a partner to massage you will allow you to reach different angles on your shoulders and back. Make sure to communicate with your partner what pressure level is comfortable, as well as what feels good and what doesn't. With palms facing up, use dual head to massage palm, working from the bottom of the thumb to the outside of the pinky finger. Then spend time massaging the middle point of the palm. A good thigh massage is a great way to relax more. Hold the High with the handle pointing inward and the vibe guide on your outer thigh. Increase the intensity to as high as comfortable and move High up and down from above the knee to just below the hip. Change the position slightly each time to massage the whole thigh. This deep massage can be offered in a multitude of different angles and portions of the legs, buttocks, and sciatic nerve. From this massage, have your partner lay face down on a comfortable surface and stand to one side. For one suggested angle, place the top of the High in between the legs of your partner and hold the device horizontally across the partner's thigh. Gently move the device inwards into your partner's groin and then towards yourself. This way, the device is hugging your partner's upper thigh right below the buttocks. To change angles, rotate the device vertically. While the top of the High is still in between your partner's legs, move the device up and down the buttocks. Remember to also keep the channels of communication open. Always ask your partner about their level of enjoyment of the pressure and positioning. If giving a foot massage to your partner, have your partner lay face down so that the foot is faced upwards towards you. With one hand, hold up your partner's foot and adjust the High to the appropriate gentle vibration. Move around to the ankle. Sit in a comfortable position or lay on your back. With the handle pointing towards your belly button and the vibe guide on your side, just above your hip, start the percussive massage on low. Increase the speed to the level desired. Turn on the vibration if you like as well. Place High on the center of the back so each percussive head is on each side of the spine. Increase the speed as your partner desires and run it up and down parallel to the spine on the lower back. Make sure not to place the percussive heads directly on the spine. The vibe guide will flex to allow this. A good pelvic massage is a great way to help you relax when you're having pain or stress from cramps, muscle tension, and migraines, as well as for stimulation in a pleasurable fashion. For this massage, pull the unit up between your legs until the guide stops at your groin. Then let the dual head rest on your pelvic area. The lower percussive head should be below your pubic bone, and the upper percussive head should be just above it. Start the device on the lowest setting and work your way up to the preferred vibration. The High device does not require heavy pressure, so instead allow gravity to pull the device down. The weight of the device should be sufficient pressure. To start, make sure the angle of the device is parallel to your pelvis rather than inward. Once you become more comfortable with the device, experiment with different angles to find what works best for your body. Discover different sensations by adjusting the high settings, as well as turning the vibrating guide off or on by pressing the plus button on the left side. When you recognize your preference of sensation and movement, the high is capable of giving one orgasm within just a few short minutes of use. Change out the head cover to choose what shape, level of softness, and sensation you prefer. Clothing type will affect the different head sensations. If you have the optional head covers, experiment with them and the different sensations they provide. With a partner, the high can be used in a number of positions, such as laying down, standing, and kneeling. Once your partner knows how to use high, let them try holding it while you slow dance standing. It can give a whole new meaning to your favorite song. If you are using the high with a partner, communication is essential. The more guidance and mutual communication high couples provide to one another, the more effective and pleasurable the high experience will be. This is also the rule of thumb for any fun that comes after a high massage. Enjoy!
Hello, I'm Faye, and these are the Skin Majestics Rejuvenating Aroma Shower Filters. These filters use a 50 billion mesh microfiber polypropylene filter to mechanically remove sand, fine suspensions, corrosive products, and other impurities from your shower water. In addition to removing impurities, the filtered water is also passed through a mixture of vitamin C, milk powder, and propolis, which neutralizes chlorine and provides great benefits for your skin. To install, remove your shower head and gently twist on the aroma shower filter. Hand tighten. No tools required. Once it's in place, reattach your shower head and you're ready to enjoy all the benefits of treated water. The vitamin C in the water gives you a collagen boost and leaves you with smoother skin. It's also great for treating dandruff and promoting thicker, longer hair. Milk powder is a powerful cleanser which brightens and hydrates, giving you a more youthful glow, while propolis gets rid of bacteria and fungus, controls oil production, and fights free radicals. Relieve stress and anxiety, re-energize, and boost your mood while showering with one of the 4 aromatherapy options for your filter. Choose the lemon filter for a better mood and to improve concentration before a long day at work. The lavender option, while great for stress, is also an antiseptic, antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, decongestant, deodorant, diuretic, and sedative. Choose rose for heart and skin health and to alleviate depression, anxiety, circulation, respiratory conditions like asthma, and digestive issues. The jasmine option aids with the most stressful situations, from depression to childbirth. It is a powerful reliever of tension and stress. They're a great way to brighten the beginning or end of any day.
No matter what path you take, you shouldn't have to sacrifice style for comfort. Now introducing Sole Insole, the latest in orthotic technology. Fabricated with flexible memory gel for maximum comfort. Designed to make you more comfortable in your own shoes. They're easy to clean. Just rinse with water and let dry. The adhesive regenerates.
I'm Dr. Peter Mercado. I am a chiropractor that adjusts feet on a regular basis. And I wear these myself, and I absolutely love them. I would recommend them just for the texture and the design. They're very good for supporting the small bones called the tarsals, and then also helping with biomechanics and the kinetic chain cycle.
Sole Insole helps to stop your arch from collapsing and tearing. Improves balance, alignment, and support.
It's just amazing what good alignment does for you, and that's what the Sole Insole has helped me with.
Sole Insole. Together we can get there, one step at a time.
Introducing the new way of brushing your teeth, something that hasn't changed in 500 years. With micro-cleaning friction power and 360-degree wrap sonic technology, the new UNOBRUSH is 2 times more effective than regular toothbrushes and cleans 99.9% of your teeth surface. Plus, it brushes all of your teeth at once in only 6 seconds. It's easy to store, clean, and charge with the minimalist Danish-designed UV light docking station that eliminates significant cleanliness flaws with today's toothbrushes. The UNOBRUSH has earned numerous awards worldwide, including the most innovative product by Microsoft. It's the world's first anti-cavity toothbrush that combines an ergonomic mouthpiece, patent-pending 360-degree wrapping unifoam, and pulsing sonic vibrations that deliver a refreshing clean to your mouth, teeth, and gums, unlike anything you've ever experienced.
We have a mission. We want to make good oral hygiene easy and accessible for everyone, and we want you to help us.
This is UNOBRUSH,
a solution that cleans all the teeth simultaneously using our specially developed 360-degree wrapping unifoam, a patent-pending oral care technology that forms to every tooth and is proven to be more effective at cleaning teeth while protecting gum health. This means you don't have to brush for 120 seconds, but instead, just 6. To clean the teeth, UNOBRUSH uses Unifoam, our patent-pending medical-grade sponge-like material developed through extensive R&D. Unifoam is embedded with micro-ridges coated in a crisscross pattern to create micro-cleaning friction. This way, bacteria and plaque are removed, leaving you with a clean mouth and fresh feeling. You'll store UNOBRUSH in the docking station that is designed in Denmark. It works as a charging station, but also sterilizes the UNOBRUSH using UV light. For the design, we were inspired by famous Danish architects and NASA-shaped technology. Altogether, UNOBRUSH combines a stunning appearance on the outside with advanced patent-pending technology on the inside. UNOBRUSH arrives as a complete kit with a 1-year warranty to ensure your 100% satisfaction. We paired Unifoam with sonic vibrations and fluid wave technology that work together to flow toothpaste between each and every tooth and below the gum line, getting into places a manual toothbrush can't reach.
Thank you for watching. Now let's change the world for the better.